The ultimate Parkwhizcom reviews tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you've ever driven around endlessly searching for parking in a busy city, most people get this wrong by relying on luck, but here's why Parkwhizcom might just be a game changer. This platform helps you find, reserve, and pay for parking spots in advance, saving you time, money, and stress. First, start by entering your destination and arrival date on Parkwhiz. You won't believe how quickly you get a list of available spots nearby, from standard lots to covered garages. Each listing shows price, distance, and even real photos, so you know exactly what you're booking. Next, compare the options carefully. Most people overlook hidden costs like oversized vehicle fees or cancellation charges. Parkwhiz clearly flags these. Choose a spot with solid reviews and convenient timing to avoid running into unexpected fees. Once you've picked a spot, reserve and pay online. The surprising truth: many users report saving 30–50% compared to drive-up parking rates, especially during busy events or in crowded downtown areas. Prepayment locks in your spot so you don't have to circle blocks when you arrive. Finally, use your reservation voucher. You won't believe how smoothly this works. Present the voucher mobile or print at the lot entrance, and you're done. No cash, no waiting. Some locations even let you extend your stay through the app if you need extra time. In conclusion, Parkwhizcom can take you from 0 to pro in smart parking. By searching ahead, comparing carefully, reserving early, and using vouchers, you can skip the parking headache and enjoy more time doing what matters. For city drives, events, or busy weekends, this is one tool you don't want to leave home without.